Hey everybody, my name is Chris Singh with Chris Tech here, and I hope you're doing very well. Today we're going to be learning how to make a car in Algodoo. So here we are in Algodoo, and the first thing you want to do whenever you're making something in Algodoo is to turn on grid menu, because you need to make the correct shape and size of a shape, and you need to cut the object's portion perfectly. So here we are in Algodoo, and now first thing what we're gonna do is that we're gonna make a rectangle, and also you want it to be small so that way the axles will work perfectly. It will work very good, because that's the main topic of today's video. We're learning about the axles. So here we have our rectangle. We're gonna use the cutter, and then we're gonna start from this side. The back side you can do whether you want to do like a pickup truck or a SUV. But what you want to do when you're making a car is that you want it to make it point to the right side, because what Algodoo means by going forward is going to the right. So we're gonna go straight and now diagonal to the top. Oh, diagonal. And now remove this portion, and now the back you can do, you can make it into a pickup truck or a SUV and design your car. Take your time. I'm just gonna design mine in the meantime. Okay, so here I'm done with my car. As you can see, these are the wheels. Green and white looks the absolute best to me. So anyways, now what we're gonna do is that let's just drag the wheel to the top. And you don't want it to be like half touching the car and half touching the sky. You want to just move it like a little bit to the up, and that's it. And let's do the same for this one. The reason why you want it to touch the car more than the sky is because we're gonna double click on the circle, go to geometry actions, and click add a center axle, and what you'll notice is that there's this dot, and it's saying that the dot is matching the color of your car. That's why you want the wheel to touch the car more than the sky, because if the dot is matching the color of your car, that means the axle is connected to the car and it's not connected to the sky. But if we drag the axle and the wheel to the bottom, you can see the dot is matching with the sky color. And if it's matching the color of your car, then that's what you want. So let's do the same here. So go to geometry actions, add a center axle. Dot is matching my car color. Now we're going to click on the axle. We're going to double click on it. We're going to go to axles, and we're going to select motor. And the speed and torque, you can do how much you want. I'm going to do max speed and max torque because I like fast cars and strong cars. So, and for forward key, we're going to do left, and back key is going to be right, and for mine, brake key is going to be down. But what you'll notice is that the motor is not chosen anymore. That's because when you click the forward or back key, the motor will be enabled. So we're not clicking that right now, but when we click it, motor is going to be chosen. So let's just hide the axle, and now let's do the same for this axle. So motor, okay, and appearance. Okay, so now let's start the project. So we start the project. So the car lands in the grass, and now if we click the right arrow, you can see it starts moving, and we click the back arrow, the left arrow key, it starts going back. And let's see how strong the brake is. Brake, 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 brake. Okay, not so strong, but that doesn't really matter in Algodoo. So anyways, that's basically today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe. Comment down below on what you would like to learn in future videos. Make sure to hit the thumbs up, and have a nice day. In the meantime, I'm just going to play with my car.